Right, so we're about 11k, that's about 7.5 miles into a fairly reasonably challenging ride around Warncliffe Woods. Some fairly tricky uphill, I wouldn't say technical, but rocky and loose sections. So you're struggling to keep the wheel on the ground a bit. That's obviously quite taxing on the power, you know, you're using power level 2 or 3 quite a lot of the time. So I've just looked at the gizmo here and it says we're on 71% power, which by my reckoning that would give us about 36-37k range in total. That's about 24 miles in our money, which is about what I was expecting. You know, I was thinking the quoted range is 40k. Lower end of it is 40k, which is, you know, that would have been good. 25 miles. I think this is about what I was expecting. I've heard good reports from this, I think, generally. What do you think of it? Just talking to the camera person here. I tell you what, she's left me behind a few times. Go on, sorry.
I have nothing to say.
You've nothing to say. Wow. I'm glad I'm recording this. It's been pretty good, you know. What are the downsides, would you say? I'll tell you what.
It's much better at keeping on track than the heavier, the other bike.
Yeah, so it's more confidence inspiring. This is compared to the old steel frame clunker that I did up with a Chinese wheel kit, and that was our test mule kind of thing. This is kind of a foray into an actual manufactured product, and you can.
But on a very steep, loose bit, it can be hard sort of keeping the front wheel down and gripping.
Yeah, keeping the front wheel down on the loose stuff. Yeah, quite difficult. I think that's just geometry. You know, I think you'd find that on most bikes, to be honest. Just where you're tilting backwards. What I would say about this, and my only real use the lockout yet, have we, the suspension lockout?
No.
Suspension's been doing its job quite nicely.
It was nice. It was a little bit pogo-y, I found, but that's only compared to other bikes I've ridden, which is not saying much.
I think we need to have a go at adjusting the rebound, damping, and whatever else.
No, I quite like it.
Whatever it has, I don't know what it has. I've never had suspension before, so it's all
Shall
new
we
to me.
finish this ride?
Yeah, let's finish the ride.